Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the chrome package, which is going to give you chrome door handle inserts, chrome fins on the hood, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition, brushed aluminum running boards, beige MB Tex interior, sunroof, come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, brown eucalyptus wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also comes with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 36,148 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.